Okay, level 6. On page number 26, we have a comprehension. Read the passage carefully and answer the question that follow. Yes, the disaster happened on board an oil tanker. It was about midnight when an explosion was heard in the engine room. Many of the crew members had just retired in bed. The captain escaped his burning vessel by jumping into a sea of flames. He had to fight against the strong ocean currents for some 6 hours to escape the fire. Many of the crew members also survived. They were strong swimmers, however, 5 people lost their lives. The captain and his crew were rescued by fishermen from a passing trawler. From his hospital bed, he said, I was about to go back to my cabin after making my rounds when I heard an explosion from the engine room. I raised the alarm and rushed to try to put out the blaze. Unfortunately, it was too late. Another explosion went off. We had to save ourselves. All of us jumped into the water and swam as fast as we could. Away from the flame, there was not enough time to get the lifeboats. Manyam was screaming. He could not swim well. I caught hold of him, but the current was too strong. He was swept away. Oof. Okay, let's give answer. The first question is, where did the accident take place? Yes, the disaster happened on board an oil tanker. The accident was took place in the engine room. In the first two lines, we can see the answer of the first question. The next is, how did the captain escape? The captain escaped by fought against the strong ocean currents for some 6 hours to escape the fire. So as we can see the answer here in the first paragraph, in the third or fourth line. Next is, who saved the captain and his men? Starting from the second paragraph, the captain and his crew were rescued by fishermen from a passing trailer. As we can write, the captain and his men were rescued by fishermen from a passing trawler. What happened to Manyam? That is on the last line. Manyam was screaming. He could not swim well. I caught hold on him, but the current was so strong. He was swept away. We will write the answer here. The fifth one is, which phrase in the passage tells us the captain had to seek medical help after he was saved? From his hospital bed, we come to know that after he was saved, he had to seek the medical. As we have done our comprehension, so I hope that all my level 6 will understand this comprehension as well.